When it comes to disordering creation, I think that the demons are spoilers. And the great, if you like, leader of that spoiling is Satan himself. What they try to spoil are relationships. So if you go back to the story of the garden in Genesis 3, that spoiling work of the serpent, the devil, spoils relationships with God, relationships between the man and the woman, relationship within a person who's now ashamed, and with the environment itself. So the disordering is disordering through relational mayhem. And that's why the great wonder of the gospel is that it's a restoration of right relationships, a reconciliation of all things through Christ.